Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to optimize and speed up your computer. If you are experiencing a slowdown or lagging, then what you should use is a software called CCleaner. Basically it cleans old files and temporary files and registry files on your system and restore it back to a normal working condition. Now this tool first launched in 2004 and I have been using it since 2008, and it's a great tool that basically keeps my computer running like new. So let's go ahead and get started. Launch your browser and just Google CCleaner, and I will leave the link down in the description box, and click on the first link that comes up, and we will be installing the free version, which has all the primary functionality that you would need to clean your PC. So click on free download, and once you get the file, download it to your computer. So I'm just gonna put it on my desktop for now, and once it's installed, just double click on it and just follow the installation guide. So click on install or click on customize and choose whatever option you like. So in my case I just left all the defaults and just click on install. I'm gonna not install it since it's already installed on my computer. Now to clean your computer, you click on custom clean, and that basically shows you this window. So for each browser you have options on what to clean. So for my Microsoft Edge, I have the internet cache, files, internet history, cookies, downloaded history, last downloaded location. For my system, which is the Windows, it empties your recycle bin. So if you do not want to empty your recycle bin, just uncheck this one. It deletes the clipboard files and Windows lock files and other stuff as well. And if we click on this application tab, you get to see other options for other browsers you have. Like I have the Avast secure browser as well, and I have all the other options. So once you select the things you want, or just leave the defaults, I think they are okay, click on run cleaner. Once it's done scanning, you will see the result. It has basically cleaned 29.6 megabytes of files. Now the next tab I would like to show you is the registry. So whenever you install a software on your program or uninstall a software, it will leave a registry file on your system, and over time those adds up and accumulate, which result in slowing down your system. So just click on scan for issues, and basically it's scanning through my registry, and those are all the files that it has found, and those are safe to delete. So click on review selected issues, and it's asking me if I would like to make a backup. I never create a backup, I just say no, and it basically will ask me if I'm sure I want to fix all those selected issues. Just click on fix all, and all those files are gone. Now another tab that is useful is the tools tab, and that basically lets you uninstall programs from here if you like to use this tool. The startup tab is really useful option. It will show you all the programs that starts whenever you restart your computer. So I have some of them disabled. Now if you would like to disable any application, just right click on it and click on disable, and it's disabled. So you can see over here it says no. Now I'm gonna re-enable it since I use this one. And also there is a duplicate file finder. So this option lets you search for duplicate files on your system. So like this tool will basically scan your system and finds all the duplicate and gives you the option to delete all those duplicate files. And those are the main features I usually use in this software. And thank you for watching.